Hi guys, a very warm welcome into lesson 3. This is our lesson 3. In lesson 1 we have covered the basic shapes, the basic borders as well as the how to draw human figures in Word. In part 2 we covered how to draw birds and animals, how to draw trees and how to draw huts. So in case you've missed that, I will share the link in the description box. You can have a look. Today we are going to start lesson 3 where we are going to do a scene. This is a painting composition that we are doing today in which we will be covering human celebrations as well as the Tarpa dance, which is very popular for Wadi. So take a normal A4 sheet. Now what I have done is with a light pencil I will divide a half line. A line that is going to divide my sheet into half. Now just let me divide it. Just divide the sheet into half. Now once you've divided your sheet into half, what we are going to do is, let me show you how first the measurement. So for the lower portion, we are going to show some celebration at the lower bottom part. So just mark an 8 centimeter point, and from the base at an 8 centimeter point, draw a line and draw a line at 2 centimeter. Basically we are drawing 1 centimeter line, so this is going to help us make people. Okay. Now mark the midpoint of this line where we are going to place our celebrations. So what we are going to do is, I am taking my compass and I am just doing a random circle. Now here I am going to show my worldly people with some kind of a celebration scene. Now draw another circle. See, this is going to depend upon the size of your sheet. If you are using an A4 sheet, it will be something like this. If you are using your drawing sheet, then depending upon the area that is available to you. Now in this way, draw 3-4 circles. Now first I am going to draw my people here right in the center, and then I will show you how we'll mark the spire. Now to draw my people here, I am directly going to use my black pen. Now here first what I am doing is, at the midpoint I am drawing a drum. So mark an oval. Now mark another semicircle and mark an oval. So this is basically going to be the base of the drum. Now we are going to make two people on both sides. So draw a circle. So these are going to be your two people. A small neck. Now to make it more pretty, we are drawing a double line. Like this. Now we are going to draw the two hands, and in the hands I am drawing a drumstick. And here what I'm doing is, you can do any kind of designing that you want, but I'm going to use the triangles that we had learned in the border pattern for doing the design. So we are going to do a double triangle. And here I am giving a normal standing line. So this way we have made. Now we have to make for the Tarpa dance, we have to make a spiral. So this is the innermost circle where we have drawn. We will do a Tarpa dance. We can draw. Now if you don't want to draw a circle, complete circle भी आप कर सकते हैं, and instead of the complete circle, I am going to draw a spiral here. So let me show you the line which becomes relevant now. So we are going to draw small people around this particular line, and we are not going to go double here. We will leave the spiral in this manner. Now let me start drawing my people. Now so that my people all are in the same height, just draw another reference line. Let me draw and show you. So now let me show you how we are going to draw people. So we are going to draw smaller people here. How we are going to do is, in this we are going to draw people. That is the reason why I just made a reference line, so that all my people that I draw here are of equal height. Now in this way, let me draw these, and I will show you how we are going to simply draw them in a spiral. Now because we'll have to see, we want to deviate now. So in this manner we will deviate from a circle, otherwise वो पूरा circle बन जाएगा. We don't want a full circle. Now you can decide which path you want to take. Now suppose I want to draw here. Now I can end this spiral here also. Now see, if I show you, isn't it looking pretty now? This kind of a spiral. You want, we can complete the spiral till this end also. So just, it is very important that you draw a reference line here also. Now you will see that the gradiently the size of the people will be bigger in the outer line. Now see, isn't it looking very pretty? Now let me show you how to draw 2-3 people here also who are doing other instruments, who are playing other instruments. And then what we are going to do is, then we are going to rub all the pencil drawings and I'll show you how to do the coloring in this. So here I am drawing this man who is playing this kind of an instrument. Now his hands are going to come here. Okay, now we can design this very beautifully using any of the border pattern technique that we have learned in lesson 1. Now I've given a double line in the dresses. I'll show you how pretty the dresses can be made. Now let us learn one or two more instruments. So we'll draw a lady here and this is her hair. Now here I am drawing a circle and I am attaching. So this is another musical instrument which is there. Now we are going to draw the dress of the lady. Now we can give bangles here. Now another I'm going to draw here. So we will draw another lady. Now she's holding in both her hands, so I will just take her hands, and she's holding an instrument like this. See, this is a conical instrument for music, and हम इसको check कर देंगे. We are just going to do a checked pattern here. Okay. This way. Now let us add two more people. So here we are adding another person. Now इसमें we are drawing another type of a drum जो ये generally draw करते हैं in Varli style, which is just next to the body, इस तरह का. And you can do any border pattern you like. So here I am using triangles. Okay. And in one hand he has a drum का जो stick होता है, drumming stick. And in the other hand he is holding this. And let us draw one more person holding another kind of a musical instrument. So this will help you give exposure to various musical instruments also that were drawn. So that can become a very beautiful scene when we are doing a Varli celebration. So in one hand he is holding a drum kind of a thing like this. This is another different type. We've learned one there also. And in the other hand he is holding a stick. This. Now let me show you a very quick method of coloring them. Now here what I'm going to do is, I'm not doing the usual only black color. Okay, I'm only going to use black for the heads. And then what I'm going to do is, I'm going to use red for the ladies' body clothes. And I'm going to use a blue kind of a color for the, actually this is a blue green mix color. Now see, isn't the dress looking nice? Now in this आप इसको भी colorful बना सकते हैं, or you can decide of coloring it in shades of white and black. But here to add more beauty I am shading the alternate ones as white and black. Now in the same way you can choose any color to do up all of these. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do these people. I'm going to color them. Let me quickly color and show you how beautiful this looks. And I'll do alternate colors as green and blue. Now let me rub off all the pencil marks and show you. See, now I have removed all the pencil markings and see how nice it is looking with a different color combination. If you want, you can paint it completely black also, see. So in this way, you finish your celebration scene also, and we are going to cover a village composition in the next lesson. Thanks for watching. Do like our video and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the notification button or the bell button so that you can be notified as soon as we are live or we put a new video. Thank you so much and bye bye.